Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have swatches of an amazing collection from NCLA that is called Sweater Weather. This collection is available right now on NCLA's website that I will link down below. And if you are interested to see how they perform on my natural nails, then please keep on watching. So the first one is 75 degrees is freezing in LA, and this is nude shade from this collection, and it has a beautiful coverage on a first coat. As you can see, this is almost a one coater for me, but I decided to do a second coat because I wanted to show you how it looks like with two. The formula is perfect on this one. It stays where I apply it and it is just so easy to work with. I highly recommend this one. The next one is CAMO is the New Black, and this is a military green nail polish. This one is one of my favorites from this collection, although all of them are amazing to be honest. This one is the one that needs two coats, and it is the most sheer from whole collection. But don't get me wrong, it covers perfectly well in two coats. This one is a previous one, is very easy to work with, very nice nail polish to have in your collection. Next one is PSL season, which is pumpkin spice latte season. This is described as burnt orange cream, and this is a one coater. I didn't even dare to make a second coat because there's no point, to be honest. The formula is amazing, so easy to work with. I think that everyone will be happy with this nail polish and will appreciate its beauty. And last but not least, we have Eat Pie Drink Wine, and this is described as deep rich burgundy shade. This one is my second top pick, and I'm not sure which one I like more, this one or CAMO is the New Black. I love the way it looks on the nails, whether they are long or short, doesn't even matter. I've tried it on both and it looks so amazing. The formula is great and it could be a one coater I think, but I did two coats because I feel like it looks better with two. So this is it when it comes to this collection. I really enjoyed it. It might be my favorite collection from a whole year 2019 to be honest. NCLA makes great nail polishes and they are vegan and cruelty free. When you sum up that they have an amazing brush and even better formula, they might become your favorite nail brand. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this swatch video. If so, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!